Hi guys, come on in. So we've opened the store in August, and this is where you can see Samant Chauhan all line. Like we have bridal, we have our pet line, we have scarf, we have textile, we have leather accessories, we have sandals, shoes. So everything at one floor. This is original Samant Chauhan. So it's completely hand woven. It has all textile based, like it has silk and linen on this. And whatever waste material we left over, like cutting the panel and stuff, we put the embroidery on that. So it's a zero waste garment technically. What Samant Chauhan bride wear, like if you look at this is our best seller, and it's the base is off-white, but I've seen in last 1 or 2 years it has changed. They convince their parents, their in-laws to, and a lot of bride wore there for their wedding, and it's very surprising for me also, because when I made this lehenga I was not thinking that somebody will wear it for their own wedding. This is also one of my best seller. So you can see it's a jacket, but you can wear it for your cocktail or a function which is like engagement. So you can see like some of the same sample we've replicated in this color blue. So this was the original sample, and then we made this blue. Like if somebody want to order, they can visualize it like, okay, this is how it's gonna look when you convert this, or any of the design. So this is our men's section, and here also you can see not too much of bling, it's all more of a surface. So if you look at this, it has block print first, then there's a stitching, you can see these stitching, then there is a surface on it. So most of our piece is very simple, classy, and then just bit of a hint of a gold or something. And this is also surprisingly, like a lot of people wear for their own wedding, and that's how the complete bridal market is changing in India.